So when you're done for the day and you feel it's time to remove the contact lenses, or whenever it is you just feel it's time for you to remove the contact lenses, you simply just pinch out and remove. You see, I'd already removed this one because I have no intention of putting on contact lenses today. I'm only putting it on for tutorial purpose. I was already done with the video, and then I remembered, oh, I should also point out to you guys how to remove the contact lenses. You should never sleep with a contact lens, especially the fancy ones. Never sleep with them. I don't know about medicated type. I hear some people say you can sleep with medicated lenses. I want to think so because it's medicated, so that's I don't wear medicated lenses. The best person to answer that question or any other question related to medicated lenses will be your optician. But for the sake of fashion lenses, never sleep with your lenses. You could pinch out just like that, or in this case where you're still trying to get used to the whole contact lens wearing and everything, I would recommend you pull down the skin area around your eyes and pinch out. Doing so, you will need your index and your thumb finger. Very important. These two fingers you would use to pinch out. I've gotten a grip of the contact lens, but I'm not going to remove it yet. At this point, all I need to do is just pull my hand back and the contact lens is out of my eyes. So pinch and remove. Pinch and remove. Something else I would like to point out is always have your contact lens case in your bag. Always have it. There's certain times, due to weather or whatever, your eyes start to get dry, or you're just tired of wearing the contact lens and you want to remove it. You need to have your case so that you have a place to put the contact lens back in. And another thing you should always have with you or carry around with you is your hand sanitizer. Like, that can't even be stressed enough. And aside contact lens purpose, it's really advisable to always have hand sanitizers in one's handbag or briefcase or whatever it is, even if you were not the type that would always go out with hand sanitizers. But for this purpose, always have your hand sanitizers. Very important, so that you sanitize your hands before putting in your eyes, first of all, because your eyes are really important and you don't want to put the hand that's taught so many things, shaked so many people, and done whatever it is you've done with that hand for that day. You don't want that hand just entering your eye and then causing soreness or something of that sort. So you need to sanitize your hand, first of all, for the sake of your eyes, and then for the sake of the contact lens, so it's not contaminated. So that, guys, is the tutorial for today. That's just it. If you think this video was useful, if you think I kind of helped remove that fear of wearing contact lenses, and you're now good to go when it comes to contact lenses, please leave a heart emoji in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate it, like, to make me feel really happy, to make me feel glad that all these things I'm doing, the shooting, the editing, the everything I'm putting into making of these videos are not going to waste. Like, I would feel they're valuable. I would feel they're worthwhile, worth the time, worth the effort, worth everything. So please, guys, leave a heart emoji in the comment section. I'll be happy. Yep. So that's it, guys. To-dos.